Hey guys, Scott here. Today we're going to do a quick review of this Protein Works vegan Wondershake. It's a vegan protein, and I'll tell you the reason I started using this, I was always using whey protein, and it started to kind of get hard on my stomach. It didn't always agree with me, and I'd heard that vegan protein was quite a bit different, so I decided to try it out, and there's a few things that I really like about it. Number one, there's only 97 calories per serving, and that's a 20-gram scoop. So that's 20 grams, of protein. And then it's only a half a gram of sugar. So that's really good for a protein. So I think it's a really high quality protein. And I like the results that I get from it. And I use the vanilla cream. And the reason I like the vanilla, I love chocolate. I'm big on chocolate, but I like the vanilla because I can mix it with different types of fruits and other things, and it doesn't overpower the taste of whatever shake that I'm making. And one little tip, when you're blending any type of protein powder, always put it in last and sprinkle it in. And the reason for that, if you put it in first and hit the blend button, it sticks right to the sides. So make sure and put this in last. I've been using this for a while now, and I'm really happy with it. Glad I switched to it.